Wow, can this falling wedge really play out? Can the price of Bitcoin go all the way to $31,000 again? Well, let's find it out. Hello guys, welcome to The Wolf. So let's get straight to the point. So as the Bitcoin price is forming a falling wedge on the 4-hour time frame. So if the Bitcoin price breaks this falling wedge to upside also, with huge volume, still it has to combat with the major resistance at the small rectangle box I have drawn, at approximate $29,800 to $30,000 level. Because there is a confluence of major golden level of Fibonacci also, that is the 0.618 level of Fibonacci, and my regular viewers know that how important that level is. So if the price break the falling wedge to upside also, then also it can result in a fake out also, that could trap the retail traders who went long, that is the price can immediately reverse back to the downside hitting all stop losses. Okay, so if the price does not respect the major resistance level, and continue to go straight up with high volume, then if the price enters the white big parallel channel I have drawn, then I will go long on Bitcoin also. Yes, I will enter a long position on Bitcoin, but it will be a very risky trade, so I will only put some small amount only. Because guys, you have to be neutral in market, you cannot just stick to one thing that you will only stick to bearish side of Bitcoin. No. That's not how you make money, you have to be neutral, just observe the market and take decision. Because if I go long on Bitcoin, T-hen my target will be easily the top of the white parallel channel, which is approximate at $31,200 level. But I'm still bearish on Bitcoin, and I think that the price has to go down till the $27,000 level, well I'm not betting, just according to my analysis. Till the white dotted line in the bottom or the pink level box. Okay, so later on in this video, I will also show you my exact trading strategy that I will be using to maximize my profits, both bullish and bearish, no matter what market does. Okay, so coming again and again to the Bitcoin parabolic curve support, because it is a very important analysis that I have done and I don't think so anyone on YouTube has shown it before. So as I already told you, that according to this curve support, the price did broke it to the downside with a big red candle, but still there are chances that for a retest the price can go again to the $30,000 level. And after heat, the price has the potential to go all the way down to the $27,000 level also. Okay, so guys, let me show you my trading plan for the coming weeks, and how I'm going to make money. So as I already told you, that there are chances that the Bitcoin price can break the falling wedge to the upside, well if that does happen, then I have to book and close my 50% of my short trade. Because after that, if the price continues to go high then I will close more 20 to 30% of my short trade, and then I will only add more funds to my short trade. And also, I will open a long trade if the price of Bitcoin goes in that parallel channel with a huge volume. But if the price goes up breaking the falling wedge, and resulting in a fake out, and again reversing to the downside, still that's money for me. Because then already my 50% profits will be booked, plus the rest 50% trade make money. And guys, just me own review, that I don't think so Bitcoin price can break the falling wedge to the upside, and can skyrocket all the way to its recent highs at $31,000, because there are a lot of many resistance in between. And guys, if you want to do this perfect analyses like me, well it's easy to do, and easy to trade. Well, I do these type of analysis on TradingView. Just go below my description, and you will find the link of TradingView. You can create a free account, and get free $30 gift. So if you create an account with the link in description, not only you can get $30 gift, but also you support me, so do not forget to use the link in the description. Okay, so guys, that's it for today's video, see you guys next time.